Okay, so we're just going to take a quick look at the images, or just some standard images out of the Merrill's book, and just talk about them for a minute. We'll start with the sinuses, and at that we're starting with the lateral sinus, the view that shows all four sinuses. We have the frontal sinus here. We have the sphenoidal sinus back here, posterior. We have the ethmoidal sinus here and here, and we have the maxillary sinus right down here. The lateral view is shot at 70 kVp and anywhere from 6 to 8 Mass. From there, we're going to go to look at the Caldwell method. The Caldwell is shot at 75 kVp at 6 Mass roughly. All these are shot on 8x10 cassettes. On the Caldwell here, we have the frontal sinus there, ethmoidal sinus here, the sphenoidal sinus just medial to the ethmoidal sinus, and then the maxillary sinus is right down here. From there, we're going to look at the Waters view. Here we have the Waters, which is going to just show the frontal, the ethmoidal, and the maxillary. We'd have to do the open mouth Waters to do to show the sphenoidal. The Waters is shot at anywhere from 70 to 75 kVp, roughly 10 Mass. So here we have the frontal sinus, ethmoidal sinus is here, and the maxillary sinus is right here. And from there, we're going to look at the SMV, which will show the sphenoidal sinus and ethmoidal sinus. The SMV is shot just like the Waters, 70 to 75 kVp at roughly 10 Mass. So on the SMV, here's the maxillary sinus here, ethmoidal sinus is here, and the sphenoidal sinus is just right there. And now we will move on to the mandible.